Good morning, madam. Myself, C. Govindarajulu. I am studying in second BTech first sem in your college. Today, my topic is memory organization and its primary and secondary memory. What is memory organization? Memory organization is nothing but it can be used in software's development. It stores the any data. First of all, introduction to memory organization. Memory organization is referred to how to data is stored and accessed in a computer system. It is a primary divided into two categories. The memory organization divided into two types, that are primary memory and secondary memory. Understanding these two types of memory is essential for grasping how to computers functions. Nowadays the technology is improved day by day. Now all the activities are done only with the computers. And what is a primary memory? Primary memory is also a volatile memory. Is used for storing data temporary. What is mean by here volatile? Volatile is nothing but it stores the temporary. If you have switch off the computer, the data will be erased. It can be not further in the computer. It includes component like RAM and ROM and cache memory. Primary memory is fast, but it loses its contents when power is turned off. This is exactly it we discuss. Then types of primary memory. The mainly two types of primary memory of RAM and ROM. RAM is used to active processor and applications, providing quick read and write capabilities. And ROM on the other hand, it is non-volatile and contains essential system fireman. This RAM, ROM are the two types of primary memory, and this ROM is a non-volatile. That means if you have power of the computer, and this data will be stored in permanently. If you have any time we can open this, the data is available in the system. Types of primary memory. Then you discuss types of primary memory. This is the systematic representation of primary memory as we discussed that RAM has further classified into static and dynamic, and ROM classified into MR-ROM, PROM, EROM, and further several classifications. And secondary memory, floppy disk and hard disk, DVDs and pen drives. These are secondary memories. Yes, we have discussed that RAM is used temporary storage device while programs are running. ROM contains permanent instructions necessary for boosting the computer. Then characteristics of the primary memory. What are the main characteristics of this primary memory? The primary memory is very fast, and which is significantly faster than secondary memory. That means it can never store the data permanently. That's why it can very fast, and it is also limited in size compared to secondary memory, often measured in gigabytes. The data in the primary memory can access randomly, allowing for the quick and retrieve. These are the major characteristics of the primary memories. Then what about then we discuss about the secondary memory. Secondary memory is also known as a non-volatile memory. Is used for a long-term data storage. Yes, if we have to store the data in a long time, we can need secondary memories. And this secondary memory is store the data in permanently. It can not erase the data like primary memory, and it includes the devices such as hard disk, SSD, solid state disks, and optical disk. And secondary memory retains data even when the computer is turned off. We have discussed that when the power is also off, the data will be there in this secondary memory. Then types of secondary memories. We have common types of secondary memory are include magnetic storage, optical storage, and flash storage. Magnetic storage devices like HDDs are widely used. Their large capacities and cost effectiveness. Flash storage such as SSDs is known for a speed and durability. Throughout, it can be more expensive. These are types of the secondary memories. Then further we discuss about characteristics of memory. These characteristics offer the larger storage capacity compared to primary memory, and this secondary memory large disks are used big companies that can store the huge amount of data. This primary memory is also used in small companies. They can only store little amount of data storage, and it can be slower than primary memory, which can impact the speed of data retrieval, as it can be compared to slow. Data access secondary memory sequential, and which can be less efficient than random access. Primary memory versus secondary memory. Then we compare the two memories. Primary memory is crucial for immediate process tasks, while secondary memory holds data in the long term. If we have a need a urgent data, then primary memory is very best compared to the secondary memory. Then the speed of the primary memory enhances overall system performance, but the limited in capacity. Secondary memories provide external storage solutions, making it essential for data retention. The role of the memory hierarchy. Memory hierarchy is a system that organizes memory types based on speed and cost. It aims to optimize to use of both primary and secondary memory for the better performance. Hierarchy. The memory hierarchy plays crucial role storing the data. This hierarchy allows the efficient data management in computer systems. This have the this is the memory hierarchy. I can discuss first of all registers, cache memory, main memory, and flash disk, traditional disk, and remote secondary memories. These are the memory hierarchy of a computer system. The memory hierarchy structure balance speed and storage capacity. At the top of registers and a cache, followed by the RAM and then secondary memory types. This is hierarchical optimize the access time and overall efficient data in processing. Okay, this is the memory hierarchy structure diagram. Conclusion. First of all, we conclude that understanding the memory organization is vital advantages in computer technology. Further, trends may see improve in the both primary and secondary memory technologies. These innovations like 3D NAND and quantum memory could redefine how do we think about data storage. And this presentation provides as a comparisons overview of a memory organization converting both primary and memory in structural format. Where this is memory is used to these are used in a computer system for storing a user amount of data. Thank you, madam, giving this opportunity.